Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic res commander tutorial how to change units. So as example, I will create a rectangle and you can set for the dimension into 10 and 10. The next you can use dimlin to create dimension linear. So I will create in the bottom here. And if you want to change like these units into meters, you can type min dwg units, press enter, and you can see it to be show for the millimeter as the default unit. Like if you want to change to meter, you can click meters, and then you can press enter, decimal, 4, enter, enter, until finish. Now you can zoom, extend, and the dimension units will be changed into meters. Okay, I will change again into millimeter. You can type min dwg units, press enter. Now you can choose millimeter for unit and enter again until finish. Use zoom, extend. Okay, that's it for basic res commander tutorial, how to change unit. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.